Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can check the TikTok Studio app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the TikTok app. I'm going to click on this app here. So as you can see now, simply we have to go to the profile section. And after going to the profile section, as you can see, we have to click here. So I'm going to click on this option. Now you will get the first option, which is called TikTok Studio. So we have to click on the TikTok Studio option. And as you can see now, you will be able to get your all analytics here. As you can see, you can check out the post views, you can check out the net followers, likes, and you can check out the script, you can check out the subscription. And as you can see, monetization options are also provided here. So I'm going to back. As you can see, you will be able to see the all earnings here, everything, and each and every option is provided here. You can use it according to your need. Account check, creator academy, promote, benefit, add viewers, everything is provided here. So in this way you can check the YouTube Studio on TikTok. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.